Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Trimeria, with name H01243337. Today, we are going to discuss cultural adaptation, especially for fresh graduates who work abroad. In today's globalist world, many fresh graduates aim to build international career because they offer better opportunities, higher salaries, and valuable experience. Working abroad is often seen as a way to improve skill and gain global exposure. However, working in a foreign country is not only about professional skill but also about adapting to a completely new culture. This includes difference in language, social norms, communication style, and even ways of thinking. For many people, this difference can be surprising and sometimes difficult to handle. Cultural adaptation refers to the process of adjusting to new values, behaviors, communication style, and social environments. This process can be both exciting and challenging at the same time. On one hand, individuals can learn new things and grow. On the other hand, they may struggle to feel comfortable in a new environment. Some people believe that cultural adaptation is beneficial because it helps individuals grow, become more independent, and develop global competence. It allows them to learn new perspectives and become more open minded. However, others argue that cultural adaptation can also create serious difficulties, especially for those who are not well prepared emotionally, socially, and mentally. So, the question is cultural adaptation truly beneficial, or does it create more challenge for fresh graduates?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri, name H01243334 from class C. Speaker 2. That is a very interesting question from a positive perspective. Cultural adaptation provides many important benefits for fresh graduates. First, it helps improve communication skills when individuals interact with people from different cultural backgrounds. They learn how to communicate more clearly and respectively. They also become more aware of cultural difference, which helps reduce misunderstandings. Second, cultural adaptation encourage independence. Living in a new country forces individuals to take responsibility for their own life. They need to solve problems, make decisions, and adapt to new situations on their own. This process can build confidence and make them stronger individuals. In addition, adapting to a new culture helps individuals develop a broader global perspective. They become more open minded and flexible when facing difference. This is very important in today's global job market, where companies value employees who can work with diverse team. For example, a fresh graduate working abroad might learn how to cooperate with colleagues from different countries, which improves teamwork and professionalism. However, Even though these benefits are important, I also understand that not everyone can experience them easily. Some individuals may struggle during the adaptation process, especially if they are not fully prepared. I think enough. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ainun from class C, name 80124511. I agree with the point, however, cultural adaptation also brings serious challenges that should not be ignored. One of the biggest challenges is psychological stress. Many fresh graduates experience culture shock when they enter a completely new environment. They may feel confused, anxious, and overwhelmed because everything feels unfamiliar. According to a study published in Frontiers in Psychology 2026, poor cultural adaptation can result in burnout, role confusion, and lower job satisfaction. That shows that this physical impact of cultural adaptation can be very serious, especially for individuals who are not well prepared. In addition to psychological challenges, there are also social difficulties. Fresh graduates often face language barriers, which make communication difficult. They may also struggle to build relationships with colleagues or feel excluded from social interaction. Homesickness is another common problem. Being far away from family and familiar environments can make individuals feel lonely and emotionally unstable. For example, a fresh graduate who cannot communicate well or build friendships may feel isolated and lose confidence. This can affect their work performance and overall well-being. In conclusion, cultural adaptation has both benefits and challenges. However, for fresh graduates who are not well prepared, the psychological and social challenges often outweigh the benefits. Therefore, proper preparation is very important. This includes learning the language, understanding cultural difference, and preparing mentally and emotionally. With the right preparation and support, fresh graduates can adapt more successfully and achieve their goals. Thank you for your attention. That's all for me. See you next video. Bye bye.